Okay guys, as always we've got a unique car here. It's a Volvo 2025 Volvo XC60. It's basically a brand new car, only done 8.5 miles, literally 8.5 miles, hasn't been driven on the roads. And you might ask, how did this car end up in a state like this? Well, somebody had a really unlucky working day. They were loading the car up on a truck and unfortunately they damaged it. Unfortunately for them and lucky for us, because we're gonna completely restore this car. And yes, so we will fully restore the car and bring it to the brand new looks again. This car has got some really nice features. It has got a Bauer and Wilkins sound system. The crystal gear stick has got a panoramic roof as well, heads-up display, and then it also has a air suspension, so the car lifts up itself. And yeah, it's a really unique spec, and you don't get this a lot on these type of cars.
We've got two doors, wicked.
Yes.
Even better. In black?
Black, yes.
Oh, wicked, even better. Porter's going to get repaired. We need a new wing because this is completely flat.
Yeah, and then it's going to be the other side as well.
Hey, it's a full new bumper, new wing. That's it.
Two new wings, yeah.
Two new wings, two new doors, and a full new bumper. Yeah?
Yes.
We've not got nothing. Huh? Where back door? Yeah. He usually doesn't want shit like that, do you?
I think I speak to Mike and see, because there might be a possibility he will want, because it's only done 8.5 miles.
Oh, okay.
It's a brand new car.
So you've got headlight, two wings, two thingy, and a bumper with all the corners on this corner, yeah?
Yeah.
I've only got this half, yeah? That's fine, yeah?
Okay guys, so we came back to the body shop now, and we've got all the necessary parts with us. We've got a bumper, we've got a window for the driver's side door, and we've got a couple of wings. So there's wing number 1 and wing number 2. I assume this one will be the driver's side, and then this one wrapped up in a bubble wrap will be the passenger side. And yeah, we've got also two doors. They're both in a black color, so maybe fingers crossed it's gonna be exactly the same paint code. If not, still it's gonna be much easier to get the painting right. And yeah, we've also got the headlight here. Unfortunately the headlight is damaged a little bit on the corner, but it's not a big issue because we only need it for alignment. So as soon as they can, you know, as long as they can align all the body parts, panels, it's gonna do its job. And then afterwards, once we receive the new one, we're gonna change it over, and then everything is gonna be perfect. 10-10. Okay guys, so we've dropped off the part, and let's talk about the Volvo itself. So basically it's a Volvo, it's a 2025 Volvo XC60. It's a petrol engine, 2 liter, and it's basically a brand new car. Can you imagine? Somebody damaged a brand new car with only 8 miles on the clock. And let's do the comparison between the brand new car and then this Volvo that we've got. So the brand new Volvo XC60 would cost around, in this spec, with all these extras, it would cost around, I'd say, £65,000, £70,000 brand new. But of course, buying it as a salvage is gonna probably cost twice as cheap. We bought this one for I think it was £22,000 top of my head, and then of course we calculated roughly the repairs would stand us at around 5 up to like £6,000. Again, I haven't got the figures with me, but still, even if it comes all together to like £30,000, that's over 50% of saving from the brand new car. And you know, it's the same car, it just has this little history on the car that it's previously been damaged, but it doesn't affect anybody. Like, I mean, the car is gonna drive the way it was driving before, and you know, and you save yourself £30,000. You could spend that £30,000 on a lot of different things. You could spend it on another car like this, you know, and make yourself a profit. And I don't know, nowadays I think it's really silly to buy a car straight from the dealers, because the moment you drive it away from them, it loses the value crazy, and you know, and I don't think it's worth it nowadays. Right guys, this Volvo just came back to us from the body shop. That's the same Volvo that only done 8.5 miles. Still a couple of things that are not finished. So the wing mirror needs to go on, the trim needs to go on as well. So just like a couple of little details, like there's a trim from this side is missing as well, but I think it's inside the car, so just need to, you know, fix up a couple of things, like the airbags as well inside. The curtain airbag still missing, the door card from the driver's side still missing. So yeah, we are about to get that finished. As soon as it's done, we'll wash it, do a full valet on it, and it's gonna go on sale.
How you see, we changed the roof airbags and removed the roof lining because it have the cracks and dent. We also repair the roof line and fit it back.
Guess what's inside? It's alloy wheels. Alloy wheels day. So guys, we're repairing the Volvo XC60 right now, and some of the alloy wheels are damaged and they look in that condition. So the car done only 8 miles, even the wheels and the tires are still brand new. We've got to repair these alloy wheels to the same factory condition, and that's why we take these alloy wheels to the repair center to get them sorted. Altogether, we doing some other wheels as well, which we have stored from another cars. We will get all them refurbished and put them probably on eBay, because it's no point keeping like 40 alloy wheels somewhere on the shelves with no reason. Yeah, so we'll bring all these alloy wheels to the repair center and let's see the progress of them, how they will change. Look at this. So every alloy wheels here, they're all damaged.
Okay guys, so the Volvo is now completely finished. As you guys can see, there's no problems with it whatsoever anymore. It had damage from both sides. Everything has been done to the highest standard. Just look at this car, it's so beautiful. We have also upgraded the seat belt, and it's just came back from a car wash. Everything has been walleted. As you guys can remember, this car is a really huge spec car. So it has got the heads-up display, has got the best sound system ever, which is Bowers and Wilkins, best sounding car system that I've ever heard. And yeah, so he has got a panoramic roof as well, and air suspension as well, which is really rare for these kind of XC60s. But the main thing is, this car is a brand new car. It's a 2025 plate with only 12, I think it's already at the moment, it's 12 miles. Of course, we had to drive it a little bit as well, just to make sure everything is fully functional. So yeah, we added like another 4 miles. But yeah, this car is spotless and This car is now going up for sale. You can find all the details in the description, but for now we're saying bye and thanks for following us. Thank you so much for watching Crash Deals. See you later.